Yeah.
Something that I'm got in Philly. Open it up. I guess. There we go. Strombollis. Check that out. Victor's gonna be happy eating this.
This is Philadelphia strombollis.
Oh yeah. Victor got his forks ready. Oh yeah. Ready, dude? I recorded him, he recorded me.
I'm ready, that's right.
Alright. You ready to eat this?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's do it, bro.
Here. That's right, I'm over here in Philadelphia.
Wait.
Still recording.
Oh, okay.
Right, Philadelphia. He in a restaurant. He's at a restaurant. About to eat the most beautiful thing in the world. And you can see everybody, check it out. One more time.
Cheesesteak stromboli. Actually, this is a Philly cheesesteak stromboli. So when we open this bad boy up, I'm gonna record it so you can see what's inside. You know what? Why don't you put it in half and while I record, so he can show you. Yours could be a little bigger because you're a bigger guy, so you can enjoy it. Now look inside, dudes. Victor's opening this bad boy. Oh yeah. Let's see. Whoa. No zoom. Look at that. How it looks, dude.
It is awesome.
Alright. This is BA1 and Victor signing
Sign out.
out. Peace.